like, oh!
This is your station. Just pop those cards right on the front. Excellent, my friends. Welcome to Savi's workshop. Oh, it's so exciting you found us. These are the gatherers that will be assisting you. You may call me Henry. So please take a quick look around. I know what you're thinking, that all this looks like just a lot of old junk. Well, let me assure you of something. Some of it is new junk. I'll explain more, I feel. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers because we search the galaxy for ancient relics in forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged systems. What we find, we bring in here. So where a stormtrooper might just see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. For in these troubled times, preserving our past may just ensure our future. I trust you've all heard the legends of Luke Skywalker? Yes, good. We're here now. There is another. A new Jedi. Do you know her name? Rey. Indeed, Rey. A scrapper just like us. And what Rey is now leading? Well, that is the spark of hope that we've been waiting for. And that is why you are here, to look ahead. Well, that and to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and our darkest enemies. It is elegant, enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber then becomes a reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them. This evening, you will feel that connection. So, I think enough talk. Yes, let's begin with perhaps the most important element of a lightsaber, the kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some say the kyber crystal is the heart of a lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the saber's blade. We've seen these in some of the greatest Jedi legends in history. The blue crystal. Favored by great Jedi Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker and Rey. Green. Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. Ah yes, violet, a beautiful, very rare crystal, favored by powerful Jedi Master Mace Windu. And because there must be balance, red. Often called the Crystal of Power, favored by Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. And all these are stories of the past. We're here for you, our future. So it's now time for you to select your kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. So builders, close your eyes. Indulge me, close your eyes and picture your kyber crystal in your mind. What color calls to you? Remember, it is likely the crystal itself is choosing you. Good, open your eyes and select your kyber crystal. elders carefully place those crystals into that green crystal holder there in front of you. Perfect. For it is now time to begin the construction of your hilts. The gatherers are placing before you now the selection you previously made. And from there, you will choose the precise components that will comprise your unique lightsaber. The hilt. Well, this is really the foundation of the lightsaber. This is your center of control and the part that keeps your hands from being disintegrated. So you'll see in the box the chassis. On the other side of the tray, activation plates. We'll then select 2 of the 4 grips before a fixing a blade emitter, and finally a pommel cap. Building a lightsaber is a personal journey. The gatherers and I are here to guide you through every part of the process. So builders, let me ask you, are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's build.
My name is
They're a number 1 for me. This is going to be your lightsaber. You see the 2 little points on the inside there of your chassis? This is going to be your 2 points of contact. That's great. Go ahead and grab those. Go ahead and grab against the chamber for me, friend. There's many different ways you can put in the crystal. You're going to start off with the chassis there, number 1. There's many different ways you can start off. Put in the crystal. The way I find easiest is to hold the crystal in place as you put it in that bottom point. And then using your other hand to kind of wrap around it, kind of your thumb and your middle finger, to wrap around it, help it to that point. So here your chassis is back to you as well as that of the color of your crystal. That's the trickier part of the build, because you need someone to separate that. You're going to see the look of your crystal. And the magic one on the side of your chassis. Perfect. So you're number 3. The next step is going to be number 5. It's going to be your activation build. These have 2 from the top or 2 from the bottom. Make sure you grab 2 from the same inside, and once you flip them over, you're going to do a trick with them on the side of your chassis. You're going to go ahead and put a piece on the side of your chassis.
Oh, I am a friend.
Go ahead and slide the blue. You're going to put it on top of the red.
What a beautiful design. I know you've done this a couple of times. It's a pleasure to see you. What colour crystal did you put in this one?
Red.
Unlimited power. Well, it's stunning. You've sent it home, my friend. The rumour is at least the possibility that these pieces were forged in the unknown regions.
Alright, the next step is going to be 1, and if you go ahead and put your grips, you choose any 2 different options you have there. First and match, however you choose. You see how each of your pieces have that thicker silver ring on them? Make sure that thicker part goes first on the inside towards the crystal. Color on the inside. Alrighty, my friends, I've seen we've made a decision, don't want to change anything about it. My friend can make this activate, and you push up to activate and down to deactivate. Congratulations, my friend. And once you like click this, make sure to push down and twist the lock in place. Perfect. Now slide up on your activate.
Done, my friend.
Ready, tidy, and down.
We're going to put 1 on top and 1 on the bottom with these brown rings facing the front. Feel free to mix and match your pieces. Make sure when you're twisting it that you don't try to hit it too hard, okay? Hold your saber a little bit at me. That's how you admit it. You're going to keep that finger straight on like a water. Upside down. Now you're going to choose normal number 4, and you're going to do that same motion. Alright, my friend, how's that design feel? My friend, the force guided you well, no changes needed. We'll take a check, make sure everything is good. My friend, hip base is activated.
Indeed, following the footsteps of the stroker. Is that real or is it something? Congratulations. Right, I have a similar one, I just can't tell you where it is. That's fantastic. That is fantastic. That's absolutely I know, we were against that. Which kind of crystal do you have?
It can't get better.
You're all seeing things before they happen. That is a general. She? No. You are. Perfect. Excellent, my friends. May I say, congratulations. You've completed these stunning hilts, and nothing catastrophic or traumatic has happened yet. So I'd ask those that have completed if you wouldn't mind taking a giant step back. Before we please, thank you very much. This is just for a moment to allow this skilled team of gatherers the room and the ability to prepare your hilts for their first activation within these specially designed crystal stabilization chambers. The trick here is not to invert the emitter matrix, or I'll end up with more holes in the ceiling. We affectionately call that one our first attempt. Good. Now, my friends, are you ready to take your first steps into a larger...
With many perks you began. Yes. With the heart of the saber they are joined. Much more they will become. Well, it is time.
Master Yoda. Then yes, it is time. Time for the bond between Builder and Saber to be forged. In just a moment, I'll ask the builders to take a step forwards, to place a hand on the hilt of their lightsaber. Then on my signal, you will activate them for the first time. Builders, are you ready? Yes. Then take a step forward, my friends. Place a hand on the hilt of your lightsaber and activate. And raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber, and like the Jedi and the Sith before you, you could change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Deactivate and lower the lightsaber.
Complete your lightsaber use. Choose your path it cannot, but like your way, it can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands you now hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. Protect your sabers, we're pleased to offer a saber sheath as you depart. For our time is now at an end, but yours is just beginning. It's time to make your mark on the galaxy. For you are as unique and as extraordinary as the lightsabers you have created. And who knows, next time, we could be telling your stories. Raise your sabers and activate! Till the spire!
Till the spire!
What a privilege
situations, I'll just get your shoe.
There we go. And I'll be going blade in first.
I think we're gonna wait for Mary Crystal before someone gets just to be safe.